Drop the link, hey, drop the link, it's drop the link day, drop the link, hey, drop the link, all right now, drop the link, it's drop the link day.
It's RSM.
Hi everybody, I am Teresa. This is my channel, Just Teresa. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am one of the DTL 6. There is 6 of us and I am one of the ones doing Drop the Link. I love doing Drop the Link. I do it every Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern time on my channel. Every Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern time. And the reason I love it is because the people that came to Drop the Link come to my lives, come to my videos, come to my premieres. I've met so many great people on Drop the Link and they are loyal. That's why I love it. Now let me introduce you to my next Drop the Link sister, the amazing Sylvia. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you decide to subscribe. Bye.
Hello, hello, hello. My name is Sylvia and my channel is The Amazing Sylvia. I am one of the 6 Drop the Link hosts, and I do come on Wednesdays at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? And the reason I love Drop the Link Day is because it's organic growth. It's real growth, y'all. And you meet some amazing people. I have people coming to my channel and coming and looking at my videos that I meet and Drop the Link. So it's amazing. Yes, it is. And at this time, I'm going to pass it on to my sister, Gio. Yes, Team Build with Gio is next.
Well, hello everyone, I am Gio. And I am the content creator for Team Build with Gio. Now, my Drop the Link days are Tuesdays at 4 o'clock p.m. and Thursdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, why I love Drop the Link Day so much? Because I get watch time and I make friends from all over the world. Take it away, Clee and Mills TV.
Hi everybody, I'm Princess Cleetu, Queen of Hearts and Laughter. I'm the content creator for Clee and Mills TV and I'm a team member of Drop the Link Day. I get to host Drop the Link Day every Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I take that again. Every Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Why do I like Drop the Link Day? You get everything real and immediate. Be it subscribers, watch hours, likes, comments, and you have it all. That's why I love Drop the Link Day. Let me give it up to the next team member, Team Ranger.
Hello everybody, I am Mike, Team Ranger 92308, and I'm part of Drop the Link Day. I go live 5 p.m. Eastern, and we do an excellent service to help out the YouTube community. Hope to see you there. As always, don't be a stranger to the Ranger. Thank you, everybody.
Hey, everybody. I'm Pandy of Pandy's Hair, Candy, and More. I am the content creator for the Pandy's Hair, Candy, and More channel here on YouTube. I am also a proud member and host on the Team Drop the Link Day crew. There are 6 of us. We go live 7 days a week, and we are here for you. We help to cross-support our fellow small content creators by showing up in your live streams, showing up at your premieres, watching your short videos, and just staying connected overall. Several months ago, YouTube did away with the ability to be able to connect by clicking on people's avatars. So a group of us got together and said, how can we make it easier to still be able to engage with one another in the live streams and still be able to follow up with people and connect and make genuine organic connections that would stick. And that born Drop the Link Day. We all have our unique custom thumbnails, and again, there's a total of 6 of us. It is myself, Pandy, of Pandy's Hair, Candy, and More. We have Team Build with Gio, Be Amazing Sylvia, Just Teresa, Clean Mills TV, and of course, Team Ranger 92308. Like I said, we go live 7 days a week, and we have a team and we have a structure. Our moderators will guide you and instruct you along the way. While you're engaging and having fun, we go through the whole entire chat of everyone who wants to participate. As long as you're willing to engage and participate, and you have short videos on your channel of 2 minutes or less, you can benefit and see immediate results with growing your channel organically, and all within the YouTube policies and guidelines. We actually toggle from our live streams on over to your channel. We watch your short videos in full. We thumbs them up. We leave genuine organic comments about what those videos are about. And we let the love flow. We make genuine connections. More information and details can definitely be found in the description box of this video. I happen to host on Fridays, and as you've heard from my teammates, their dates and times range from Sunday on up through Saturday. So 7 days a week we are here for you. We are loyal, and we have helped several people reach their initial 1K. We have helped several people to reach towards monetization. You all, I have built so many new, wonderful, amazing, strong relationships through Drop the Link Day that it is unfathomable. I mean, it's almost like an extended family. It's an extended family. So if you are a content creator, and when I say small, if you have under 10,000 subscribers and you're still trying to find creative ways to cross-support and network and engage with others on YouTube, I encourage you to come to one of our Drop the Link Day live streams. Again, more information can be found in the description box of this video. If you have additional questions or would like to leave feedback, you can definitely drop down in the comments during this premiere. We will be happy to assist you. For the most part, all of us who host a Drop the Link Day, our contact information can be found on our About Me tab here on our channels. What else can I say about Drop the Link Day? If you want to have fun, if you want to grow the right way, because we're not a sub for sub group, that is against the policies and guidelines on this platform, and we are definitely not going to do anything to jeopardize ourselves or you. This is the place for you. We have several testimonial videos out there from other content creators who have benefited from participating in our live streams, so I encourage you to check them out. If you go up into the search bar and put Drop the Link Day, our custom thumbnails will come up. Again, myself, Pandy, of Pandy's Hair, Candy, and More, Team Build with Gio, Be Amazing Sylvia, Just Teresa, Clean Mills TV, and Ranger 92308. So again, Swarthy Daisy, on behalf of myself and my team members, we thank you. We are so grateful that you thought enough of us to think about us and inviting us to participate in this conference. This is a very beneficial service that we offer, and guess what? It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. So we want to thank you for the invitation, and thank you all for taking a moment to click on this video. If you all enjoyed this type of live streams and the cross support movement, definitely hit the description box, lock our dates in, and continue to stay connected. It doesn't cost you anything. Until next time, guys, you all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Drop the link, hey, drop the link, it's drop the link day, drop the link, hey, drop the link, all right now, drop the link, it's drop the link day.